Like when you go to make something like this that has a lot of little pointed edges, those are more easily achieved after the clay is dry. And I've got one here that's got some little ragged edges on it. And so I'm just going to start cleaning that up, and I'm just pressing down on a cutting mat with my X-Acto knife. Are you able to see that? So you can see it's just a matter of, and this is also how you clean up anything sharp, like maybe the point of a leaf or a bird's beak.
By the way, check it out, Rogene. Today we're welcoming folks from US, UK, Canada, South Africa, Sweden, and Greece to our broadcast.
Oh my goodness sakes.
Amazing.
I'm international.
Yes, you are.
That's awesome.